Welcome to Easy Delicious Nutritious. In this video, I will show you how to make these easy and delicious tofu bites. I'm starting with 2 packs of extra firm tofu. Tofu bite is so easy to make, prep time is really under 5 minutes and there is no mess to clean up after. I made this with frozen tofu once, but it didn't turn out good. I drained the tofu water and I'm wrapping it in paper towel. You can use kitchen towel as well. This helps remove the extra moisture. I will leave it wrap for a few minutes to give it some time while I get the spices. If your tofu has more water, you can leave it wrapped for a bit longer to help remove more of the water. I'm slicing the tofu in equal slices to help it cook evenly. If you're enjoying this video, please share, like, and subscribe. For seasoning, I'm using toasted sesame oil. You can use any oil you like. For spices, I'm using about a teaspoon actually, of cumin seeds, black pepper, ground coriander seed, and to give it some color, I'm also using paprika and turmeric. Also adding salt and sesame seeds. All these are optional. You can just use salt and pepper, or you can add even more spices. Chili flakes will go really, really well with this. Mix this really well to ensure that each piece gets some seasoning. I brushed my tray with some oil and I'm lining up the tofu. I don't want this to be crowded, so I'm lining them up individually. I'm baking this in my toaster oven for about 25 minutes. You can make this in air fryer too. Air fryer takes less than 10 minutes to cook. I'm flipping them halfway through. These are already looking pretty good. These are my daughter's favorite. She devours them in no time. It also makes for a great school lunch. You can enjoy them as is with your favorite dipping sauce, or you can add them to your salad or sandwiches. Thank you for watching Easy Delicious Nutritious. Please like and subscribe.